ending apartheid in South Africa, putting pressure on the tobacco industry. In the 1990s, big pension funds took a stand. And after the massacre in Newtown, some want to do the same with gun violence. You think this is as big as apartheid, companies, and pressure on companies not to deal with South Africa, and as big as divesting out of tobacco companies?
I think it will be just as big, and I think it will be just as big because people feel this is a threat to their lives now, a threat to their children.
In Philadelphia, Mayor Michael Nutter released a set of Sandy Hook principles for gun makers and retailers like Walmart if they want to get pension investment money. In Chicago, Mayor Rahm Emanuel is urging TD Bank and Bank of America to cut their lines of credit to gun companies. In New York, the city's public advocate is pressuring 12 big fund managers to dump their investments in gun stocks.
We're telling them you have to get out of these investments and you have to do it now. Look, this is a break point in American history.
One of the funds, Tiger Global, says it has no position in any gun company and has no intention of owning one. Another fund, Cerberus Capital Management, said it will sell Freedom Group, the maker of the Bushmaster rifle used in the Newtown shooting. In the days following that massacre, California public school teachers learned their pension fund invested in Freedom Group.
I was devastated when we realized that we had this investment in our portfolio.
This month, the teacher fund announced it would dump any gun and ammunition holdings that are illegal in California. The NRA says all of these efforts are, quote, trying to drive a stake through the heart of the Second Amendment by bankrupting gun companies. But will any of this public pressure matter?
What has happened since the Newtown shooting is that gun sales have absolutely exploded. These firearm stocks are probably going to see record sales and earnings over the next few quarters.
Rich profit margins, huge sales. Shares of Smith & Wesson are up 8% in the past month. Sturm Ruger up 17%. But pension funds are big investors, and analysts concede if the pressure continues, it could cap share prices. New York City's public advocate says that's the point.
There's plenty of other good investment choices you can make that don't come with the volatility or the moral compromise.
Christine Romans, CNN, New York.